In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation to create a Slack notification from Jira. To get started, open Jira and navigate to the project where you want this automation to live. It's important to begin in the correct project because the flow you create will apply to that project's work items and activity. Once you're inside the project, go to Project Settings. This is where Jira keeps the project-level configuration options, including automation tools and workflow-related features. From the menu on the left, select Flows. This is the area where you can build automated actions based on events that happen in your project. When you're there, click Create Flow to start building your new automation. The first thing Jira will ask you to do is choose a trigger. This trigger determines what event will cause the Slack message to be sent. You can choose from options like work item created, work item updated, or work item transitioned. Pick the one that matches your goal. For example, if you want Slack to be notified every time a new issue is added, use the created trigger. If you only want alerts when something changes status, the transitioned option is usually the best fit. After choosing the trigger, configure its settings. Depending on the trigger type, you may be able to narrow down exactly when it should fire. Taking a moment here to set this up carefully helps avoid unnecessary notifications later. Once the trigger looks right, click Next. Now it's time to add the action that will actually send the message. Click Add an action, then select the Slack messaging option, which may appear as Send Slack Message or something similar depending on your Jira setup. After that, choose the Slack channel or recipient where the notification should go. Make sure you send it to the right destination so the correct team or person receives the update. Next, customize the message itself. A useful Slack notification usually includes the work item key, the summary, the current status, and the assignee. This gives enough context for someone reading the message to understand what happened without needing to immediately open Jira. You can also use smart values if needed, which lets Jira pull in dynamic details automatically from the work item that triggered the flow. When your message is ready, click Save. Then enter a name for the flow so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your project ends up with multiple automations. Finally, click Turn on Flow or Publish to activate it. Once everything is live, test the flow by triggering the event you selected earlier. This confirms that the Slack notification is working as expected and that your message appears correctly. If needed, go back and fine-tune the trigger or message content for even better results.